Break ID number 5048. 2018 National Treasures Baseball 1-box break. Just put another one of these up there for tomorrow. Go. Dan, LA, with a free spot way up top. For those of you that are new, if that had been on a Sunday, that top row being blue like that with your PC team, that would have been $150. Not saying that to make Dan, LA feel bad, just informing those who are unfamiliar. Also on Sundays is a $100 one-of-one bounty. Both of those bounties are unlimited. Doesn't matter how many times it happens. First one, jersey to 99, Mike Trout. Angels. Russell, GR. Dual jersey to 99, Jose Altuve. Houston, Paul D.D. Speaking of one-of-one printing plate patch. Ricky Henderson. 3-color patch printing plate. Oakland, Dan, LA. Next one, old school patch to 10, Harmon Killebrew. Minnesota. Dan, LA. And how about another one-of-one? This one is autoed. Players Collection Signature Printing Plate Yellow. Ryan McMahon. Seriously, 2 one-of-one printing plates. This one's to Colorado. Dan, LA. On card rookie auto to 99, Chris Flexen. Mets. Mets. Wow. Dan, LA, man. 2-color jumbo RPA, JD Davis. Houston, Paul D.D. And I like this one. 3-color jumbo RPA to 99. Rafael Devers. Boston, Jim D.O. And last one, cut signature booklet, materials to 15, Joe Sewell. Five of 15. Sweet. Cleveland, Patrick, J.O. All right, man, what a box. Another one up there.